Hello, my name is Craig Vesley, and I am here today as the SFPE Awards Subcommittee Chairperson to ask for your help. We are looking to boost the total number of nominations that we receive for the 2020 SFPE Awards. One of the greatest misconceptions that I often hear is that it is difficult to submit a nomination for an award. Well, through this short video, I hope to dispel any misconceptions and highlight just how easy this process can be. If we take a look at the SFPE website, the first thing you'll notice in the upper right-hand corner is I've already signed into my account. I simply hover over Membership and Communities, slide down to Awards and Honors, and select 2020 Award Nomination. On the 2020 Award Nomination page, you're going to see a list of the awards available. By simply clicking the hyperlink with any of these awards, you'll go to a detailed page that will show you a list of the previous recipients. Once scrolling through the SFPE Awards, we also see the SFPE Foundation Awards, and then we arrive at the nomination form itself. So we're going to go ahead and use my name as an example. So enter I am submitting the award nomination, my email address, my phone number, the nominee name. Who are we going to submit? Let's go ahead and just put in myself for an example. The nominee's organizational affiliation. Where is it that they work? Their email address, the nominee's phone number, and the award that they are being nominated to receive. Here, once we click in this box, it provides a list of all of the awards that are available. In this case, let's go ahead and we'll select, for example, the Harold E. Nelson Service Award. The reason for nominating. This box is your opportunity to tell the subcommittee why is it that the person you've nominated should receive this award. Please help us by providing a great description of the achievements that this person has and makes them worthy of receiving the award. Once you have completed that, the final step, if you're looking for a 5 under 35 award, this is where the nomination letters may be attached. So you can upload your nomination letters at this point. Since I don't have to do any of those for the Service Award, Harold E. Nelson Service Award, I will go ahead and click Submit, and then that would go ahead and post my award nomination. A few things I want to remind you, SFPE award nominations are due no later than Tuesday, March 31st. The awards will be presented at the SFPE 2020 Annual Conference and Expo. That is being held on October 25th through the 27th at the Renaissance Atlanta Waverly Hotel and Convention Center in Atlanta, Georgia. As a reminder to chapter leaders, one of the other pieces of our SFPE Awards Subcommittee is the annual chapter evaluation form. Those forms are due no later than Friday, April 3rd. To get to those awards, go ahead and, on the SFPE homepage, hover over Membership and Communities and select Chapters. When we get to the Chapters page, simply scroll down, and as chapter leaders, you'll have access to the Chapter Leadership Resource Portal. By clicking this hyperlink, it will take us to that portal. Underneath the Pages tab, we can go ahead and select Reporting Resources. Once we reach the Reporting Resources, you will find that the 2020 Chapter Evaluation Form is available for download. When you download the available form, you will find that as we scroll through, one of the items I would like to highlight is under the Part 3, and that is, Part 4, Technical Excellence. And when you get to Technical Excellence, one of the things that is a really simple 5 points that your chapter can receive is, did your chapter submit a nomination for an individual for an SFPE award or honor, such as fellow? It's an easy 5 points that your chapter can simply receive by submitting a nomination, and it will greatly help us as we look to boost the total number of nominations we receive for these awards. I want also to note that the recipients of this award for Chapter Excellence will receive their award during the Society's annual business meeting, and that will be held at the SFPE 2020 Annual Conference and Expo, October 25th at the Renaissance Atlanta Waverly Hotel and Convention Center in Atlanta. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to contact the SFPE staff, and we would be happy to help. Have a great day, and I look forward to seeing your award nominations.